Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to hide your recently played games without appearing offline on your PlayStation 5 or anything like that. This is easy. So I have all these games right here. If I don't want my friends to see or someone else to see that I've been playing, well, what you can do is go up to the top and go to settings right here. Then go down to users and accounts. Then go down to where it says privacy. And then wait for it to load. Sometimes it might take a while. Then go to view and customize your privacy settings. Then under here we want to scroll down to where it says your activity. Then we have a couple different options under here. Who can see your online status when you're playing and currently online? Right here you can go to friends of friends, friends only, etc. Then you can go to who can see your gaming history, and this is the section that we want. We can set this to no one now, and no one should be able to see our gaming history whatsoever, the recently played games. Otherwise, we can go to friends only or friends of friends, etc. But you probably want to just lock it down and go to no one. Then you can go to hide your games from other players. So if we select this, we can select only one game. So maybe you're playing like a single player game and you don't want friends to see that you're playing that one specific game. You can go to like Bloodborne right here. So you can keep your multiplayer games on checkmarked and then your single player games checkmarked. And then you should be able to be good to go to specifically hide any kind of game from your friends. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.